Hey guys, welcome back to ShockProof Living. I wanted to show you guys these connectors we're gonna use in another project. I will show you that video later on. But I wanted to give you a quick description here on these connectors. This is approved to repair or splice Romex or type NM cable, which is here. Got a little sample here. It's good for number 12 and 14 gauge. It could be inside walls in the attic. It's approved. You can repair broken Romex. I will be extending a piece of Romex in the next project. That's why I picked this up. I will show you that video as well. But it's pretty easy, pretty simple. This is the instructions. It says you strip the wires just like that. I went ahead and I did one for you guys too, just to give you a description. And then you line those wires up right here. It tells you exactly white wire goes here, green wire or the bare wire, the black and the red. If you don't have the red, it's no big deal, just don't use that slot. You know, we're just gonna grab this. You're just gonna lay it right on top of the teeth there. So you can see it's got some, you don't have to strip it. It will strip it. These will cut into the insulation and pierce right into the copper. So all you got to do is just put it in this configuration. Make sure they line up just like that, and then you're gonna get this clear piece. Goes right on top. And once you kind of snug it, you know, put light pressure, we're gonna put in the 2 screws in the back here. One would go here, the other one would go here, like that. We'll tighten it up. I'm not gonna go ahead and do it right now because we're gonna use it in another video. But then once those are nice and tight, we're gonna flip it back over, and then just like the instructions say, just right there with a pair of channel locks, we're gonna squeeze the wire right here. We're gonna squeeze it, and it's going to push the wire through those little jaws there and pierce the insulation, making a connection. And then once you do it to both ends of your wire, let's go ahead and snap this one in place so you can see it. Once it's snapped in, you have one end on this side like this, the wire on this side, and then you have this side, and then we're just going to plug it in, and then it snaps in together, and then you got a good connection between the 2 wires. If you're trying to repair 2 wires, where the insulation has been nicked or crushed, or you know, anything, you can use this to repair it. You know, you just cut your wire, make sure it's off, cut your wire, add this in and plug it in, and you've, you know, repaired your wire. It could be inside a wall. Maybe you were cutting the drywall and you hit the Romex. You can repair with these. They also make one that is a tap, where it's this, pretty much this right here, these 2 here, and then it would have an additional one coming out of here. So if you had a piece of Romex running along your attic or in the wall, and you wanted to tap in, maybe add a light or add a receptacle somewhere in your house, you can get one of these, the tap type, and then you would have an extra one, like a T, an extra one coming in right here, and then you'd have your wire, existing wire that you have, and then you can add that extra Romex in the wall with no box, legal. It'll pass inspections. It is approved. You know, it's a nice it's very nice. It's fairly new to me, but yeah, it's nice that they came out with something that you don't have to re-pull a whole circuit or Romex because, you know, it got nicked or broken. You could just repair it, and also that they made it that you can tap off. It's pretty convenient as well if you don't have access to the box, but you can get to the Romex. You know, you can add a tap. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. I thought this was pretty cool, something pretty useful, and I wanted to show you guys. Well, you know, whenever I find something interesting, I'll try to post it for you guys. Take it apart so I can put it away. Yeah, if you like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. You know, if you guys have a project you want me to get into and film it for you guys so you can see how it's done, you know, go ahead and leave a comment. You know, let me know what you want to see. You know, I'm happy to try to make it a point to go ahead and film it for you guys. All right, guys, catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.